Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up a legal, isolated test lab you control. This protects real users. Create virtual machines, enable snapshots, and lock the network so nothing escapes. Once done, install monitoring and centralized logs to capture behavior and get clear written authorization for any probing. Make sure to document scope and rules of engagement. These steps reduce risk and let you learn safely, so you can focus on techniques without harming production systems or violating laws. Now, run controlled experiments in small, reversible steps. This is how you learn cause and effect. Start with a single hypothesis, apply one change, then observe and record system state and outputs so results are reproducible. Make sure to use least privilege accounts and enforce resource limits to prevent accidental spread. If something unexpected happens, revert to a snapshot. If results are useful, iterate and tighten your controls. This methodical approach helps you understand mechanisms without creating uncontrolled failures. To finish, review logs and capture artifacts for a clear summary of what you observed. This supports learning and reporting. Restore snapshots and revoke any test credentials to return systems to a safe baseline and archive evidence securely. If you encounter persistent issues, isolate the failing component, add more detailed logging, and rerun focused, narrower tests. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is inconsistent, replicate with identical snapshots and inputs to eliminate environmental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.